7x crazy time. Whoa, 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 brother.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Matt on top. But 176 you won't win. Great job. Betting time is available now. Please get ready for the next round. So players, what's the last movie you watched? No more bets. Good luck. Top slot. That's crazy time and 3 times multiplier. Good luck, players. Winning segment. That's crazy time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the bonus round of all the bonus rounds. Follow me, please. Hello and welcome. As you can see, we have 3 flappers on this wheel. And now the top slot multiplier gets applied to the values of the wheel. Now the maximum multiplier can wait a little bit. First things first, choose a flapper, players. Of course, the game can choose it for you as well if you want to. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the maximum multiplier is now 300x. Good luck, players. That's a double on the yellow flapper. 30x on green, 45x on blue. Maximum multiplier 600x. Good luck, players. It was so nice we had to do it twice. We'll spin the wheel one more time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the maximum multiplier is worth 1,200x. Good luck, players.
This is the amount of money issued 565,399 euros.
Congratulations, players. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Vivek, that's 17,498. You well played. Betting time is open now.
Number one for 3,284 of you. Thank you so much. Betting time is open now once again. But I don't know who has it harder, for you to start eating food you don't like or for me to quit food I love. Honestly, what is worse, guys? If you had to start eating food you really don't like you just don't like the food, you don't like the taste of it, you have to start eating it or else. Or you have to quit your favorite food. Which one is harder? 7x or crazy time? Wait a second. 7x crazy time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brother, let's go. Woo! All right, we got a beautiful crazy time ahead of us. Let's go. Let's add that 7x multiplier, guys. Woo! Amazing. Let's do this, guys. Decision time is all yours. Green, blue, or yellow. Come on. What are you going for? What's it gonna be? Woo! We're aiming for a 700x right now. Let's do this, guys. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 700 to 1,932 euros.
That's 105 on green, 175 on yellow, and 350 on blue. I don't even remember. 105, 175, and blue though. Blue Flapper, you guys got the 350X. My congratulations.
ASD. And another player on the top, 7,000 for A. Nice event. I hope we get that crazy time soon now. But yeah, Santa doesn't have work for 6 more months, so I guess this is how we rest. This is how he rests. Good luck on summertime. Then next on Cash Hunt. Love you. Thank you, Frank. Nice. I'm happy you're enjoying, Scott. Wait. Stay. It's Cash Hunt! We got Cash Hunt with a 10x multiplier. Let's go, guys. That 10x on Cash Hunt. Hello, welcome to the Cash Hunt bonus round. You ready for it? We got a top slot on it. All right. But wait, there's the 10x. Can we get it? Yes, we can. Look at that. There's 1,000x on the wall. 1,000x max. Let's shuffle it all up, and I hope you find that 1,000. Finally. Yeah, see? If you stay positive, look what we can have. What? What do you do? All right, decision time. You can become hunters now. Put on your hunting glasses, your guns, and shoot. Pick a spot, shoot. If you don't pick, the game will pick for you. But where's the fun in that? I hope you get that 1,000x multiplier. And last second, let's...
This is the amount of money issued 796,681 euros.
right here. Enjoy, guys. Let's go back to the wheel. 213 players, 1,920, 9,200 winners in total. TG and Chris own the top of the leaderboard. Amazing round. Look at that. So many of you found 1,000. I'm happy for you. All right. Let's spin it again. You missed it. I'm sorry, Rennie. Hopefully next time. Good luck. Who knows? Maybe next
had 3 crazy times already, so if you get a 4th one, like I said, that would be very surprising, but of course it can still happen. Pachinko now with a 4x top slot for this round. Last crazy time, 120.35. All right, come on. I cannot believe it. We actually got another crazy time together. Let's go. This is wild. I can't believe that we are back here already. Like, actually. So will it be green again with a big win? Last time it was 100 on the green. So have your bets placed on the green, blue, or yellow. You can use auto pick instead if you want. All right, highest multiplier is 100. Good luck. Yes, that's a double for the yellow. Awesome. 50 for green, 15 for blue. And doubling all the multipliers. And the highest right now is 200. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 26,715 euros.
Whoa, you did it. We got the big win. 200 on the yellow. Congratulations to the winners for this round. Some of us are just Arena Bingo.
Gets. Sign, you got 100. Oh, congratulations. 10, 25. Okay. Let's see. Oh, finally, just look at that. Okay, fingers crossed for an amazing, amazing round. Woo! Let's go. Woo! Welcome, welcome everyone to our beautiful crazy time. Woohoo! Okay. So let's prepare the wheel with all these beautiful multipliers, and now it's time to choose the flapper. You guys, we got 3 colors to offer to you: the green one, the blue one in the middle, and the sunny yellow one. Make your decisions and let's go. So 100 is the highest one. Come on. All right, double for the blue color. Let's double all, okay, just like that. Let's double all the beautiful multis. And now, so 200 is the biggest one. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued: 175,689 euros.
200 for the blue, 15 for the green, and 20 for the yellow. Congratulations. 6,442 round winners. Woo! Let's go. Woo-hoo! Welcome, welcome everyone to our beautiful crazy time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's prepare the wheel with all these beautiful multipliers. Okay, now it's time to choose one of those 3 beautiful flappers. So we got the green one, we got the blue one, and we got the sunny yellow one. Make your decisions and keep your fingers crossed. So 100 is the highest one. Come on! Double for the yellow now. All right, perfect. Let's double the multipliers on the wheel just like that. Look at those shiny multis. So 200 is the biggest one. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued: 198,744 euros.
200 for the yellow now. Congratulations. 8,600 round winners. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, this time, yellow team did an amazing job. All right. Now it's time for the green color. What do you guys think?
The bets are now closed. Good luck. Let's see what we are getting. Ooh, Grace Lamb is multiplied by 5 by the TOPSLOT. Nice. Let's see if we get that Grace Lamb. We are getting that Grace time. Let's go. Rocket ship walking through the time. Let's go! Woohoo! Crazy time, let's be crazy together here. We have our beautiful biggest wheel on the planet, don't we? Yes, of course we do. We have a TOPSLOT of 5, so multipliers that are already nice are being even nicer. Yes, they are indeed. Oh, what a train. Okay, beautiful.
Okay, got distracted there for a minute, but you do have a green, the blue, the yellow. Time for you to choose your multiplier. Let's go. So, fun fact, the highest multiplier is 500. Let's get it. Spin this wheel, let's get the 500. Okay, it's a 75 for the green and for the yellow, and it is a double for the blue. Woohoo! So, the highest multiplier now is 1,000. Let's go get it! Woo! Let's go! And look at that, it's another double for the blue. Woohoo! Okay, the highest multiplier goes up to 2,000. Let's go get that 2,000. Let's get it.
This is the amount of money issued 145,610 euros.
Okay, it's 500 for the blue, 75 for green, and for yellow. Woohoo! Congratulations, 1,400 lovely winners of this round. Guess who's back? Back again.
Woo! Welcome everyone to the crazy time. Woo! We brought 3x multi, so let's prepare the wheel. Okay, I am so excited. All the multis out there, and now let's just triple all of them. Woo! I love it. The wheel is shining bright like a diamond. Okay, my friends, now it's time to choose the flower. So we got 3 of them. We got the green one, we got the blue one in the middle, and we got the sunny yellow one. Make your decisions, and let's go. 300 is the biggest one. Come on. Woo! Double for the yellow. Let's double all the beautiful multis once again. I love it. I love it. So 600, the highest one. Come on. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 148,646 euros.
600.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.